Hi guys, welcome back to our Wixel series. Previously, we've learned how to generate an image. Today, let's learn where you can access the image you've generated and how you can edit it. Let's get started. So first, go to wixel.com and go to My Projects. Look for the project you want to work on and click on Edit within it. Now, you'll be taken to Wixel Beta's editor. So click on your image and on the action bar above, you should see available options that you can choose from. You can add elements to your image. So just click on elements here on the action bar. This panel on the right will appear. So here you can add texts, graphics, media, shapes, etc. to your image. And if you want to add any elements to it, simply drag and drop it to your image and place it anywhere you want to. Just an example. Apart from that, you can open Smart Actions right over here on the action bar. And this opens a window where you'll be able to see all available tools to edit your image or to create different things, such as an avatar or to create a professional portrait, and so much more. So most of the AI tools are curated over here. Next, you have Remove BG or Remove Background. So once you click on that, Wixel's AI will automatically process your image for you and remove its background completely, just like that. Next, you also have the Enhance button. So once you click on it, Wixel will automatically enhance your image for you. And if you like, you can actually input what you want to or how you'd like to improve it here on the chat panel with Aria. Or you can select from these suggestions, such as to create a watercolor art version of it, enhance its texture and realism, etc. Next, we have the Select Area button, which allows you to select a specific area or portion of your image, and then input here what you'd like to turn that specific portion or area into. Then click Generate. By the way, this will cost you credits, so just a heads up. And then once you're finished selecting, you can deselect it by clicking Deselect All. And finally, if you need more tools, click on More Tools here, and you'll have options to upscale your image, expand it, crop it, add filters to it, adjust its settings, and adjust its borders and corners. So feel free to edit your image however you want to until you're happy with it. Your changes will automatically be saved, and apart from that, you can also share or download your image by clicking this button on the top right. And that's it. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching. We hope to see you in the next video.